If you're not using this trading strategy, then you are missing out. And this is the same exact one that I show you here in all of my recent videos on the 1 minute classic candle strategy. And I show you exactly how to do it in those videos. It's so simple. Step number 1 is finding a support or resistance. And number 2, using a trend line and connecting it from the first candle through the last candle. It's really as simple as that. Where they cross, you trade. Now, if you look at that first trade, oh my god, I was literally sweating bullets. Why? Because I thought that I was about to lose every single one of those trades, and I have fast forwarded through every single one of these trades so that you're not sitting through a minute each. Look at that one, 27,000. Oh man, that was a beauty. And here, even though we're below the SMA, I actually bought. Why? Because I felt like it. Now, I knew that it was going. Look at the CCI, look at the Williams. We're pointed up, we're going up 19,000 in the bag. It was beautiful. All right, look at this one. Now, we are below where I actually had that level, but I knew we were going to reverse here, and that's because I had zoomed out, looked at the entire thing, found my spot, and you're going to notice that I'm not using trend lines in this because I can physically see it with my eyes. Look, 30,000. Here we go. We got another sell. You can literally see exactly what I'm talking about, but if you don't understand it, please go watch those videos. I'm going to link them down in the description. 13,000 in the bag. And here is my second to last trade. I again thought that it was starting off pretty bad, but that trend line was very strong, and therefore I knew that I was actually going to get this one as well. Now 21,000. Look at that. Oh man, here is the last one. We're fast forwarding through it. It's gonna go right up. It is so beautiful. If you want to learn how to do this, head over to my Discord, and dude, smash that like.